What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to ATL Living. It's your favorite ATL nurse Lee. I am off today, so I'm using this as a reset day to get ready to go back to work tomorrow. And I'm just showing you a day in my life. Let's go.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Pasa.
So tomorrow I'm starting on a new unit. It's more of a specialized unit, and so they're requiring me to come in for one day of day shift orientation. I have not worked a day shift and I don't know when. So I don't know how I'm going to make it through the shift. I'm going to need a lot of coffee. But today I'm just going to try to clean because I want to come home to a clean house. I have a doctor's appointment. I'm going to run to the store and try to cook tonight. We'll see. I'm back from my doctor's appointment. I'm going to try to finish making my lasagna. I'm just noticing that I have a pair of glasses here. This is like something to look forward to in your 50s. So I have most of the items that I needed already at the house for the lasagna, except for a few things I picked up at the store. So I was able to ground my beef before I left. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my spaghetti sauce. I'm not too particular about the sauce I use. I just picked up the Prego, the 3 cheese, and then the one with garlic. So I'm just stirring everything in, and I'll let it simmer for a while and see what else I can clean while it's cooking. I forgot to mention, to season my ground beef, I just use the basics: garlic powder, onion powder, garlic salt, Italian seasonings, all the things, that you typically use to season your spaghetti or lasagna with.
Gave you the benefit of the doubt. It took me a while to figure out that you knew exactly what you were doing. Can't believe I was that naive to let all the blame for our back on me when
One thing I do like to add is just some fresh mozzarella along with the shredded mozzarella.
oh, it's really clever. That way you don't have to put in any effort. Don't have to improve because you're making all the rules, so it's a setup. Oh, it's really clever. Convincing me I don't deserve no better, so the only option here is that I settle. Oh, it's a setup. Oh, and I fell for it. Oh, I really fell for it. Oh my God, I fell for it. Ooh, I fell for it.
I did also add in some minced garlic also, but I don't think I got a shot of that.
Said that it was all my fault. I didn't try hard enough. No, that's not true at all. Made sure I couldn't see my worth. That way I'm not mistaking your words for something that you listen to. Oh, it's really clever. That way you don't have to put in any effort. Don't have to.
I'm going to add a little sauce here just to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to just go ahead and start layering the lasagna here. I'm going to put a layer of the noodles, followed with the meat, cheese. I did add in some ricotta cheese, as you'll see. I like to add that in, it kind of gives it a creamy taste. The oven that I have is the LG with the convection oven. I have not been that impressed with it as far as it's cooking evenly on the top or the bottom. If you all have this type of oven, you know, what is the trick to it? Because I have not yet to figure it out.
Gave you the benefit of the doubt. It took me a while to figure out that you knew exactly what you were doing. Can't believe I was that naive to let all the blame for it back on me when it was all a part of your.
So I'm just finishing up. I'm just going in with a little bit more mozzarella on top before I pop it in the oven.
That way you don't have to put in any effort. Don't have to improve because you're making all the rules, so it's a setup. Oh, it's really clever, convincing me out to serve nobody. So the only option here is that a setup. Oh, it's a setup.
I've got everything laid. I'm just going to pop it in the oven, and then I think I'm going to take a little break.
Said that it was all my fault. I didn't try hard enough. No, that's not true at all. Made sure I couldn't see my words.
So guys, I finished up cleaning. I did get the lasagna done, but I did not get a picture of it because my family had dug into it before I had a chance. So I'm new in these YouTube streets. You also bear with me. I'm still learning the process, but I did add in a little cute video of my little dog Max just to close out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.